Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran and on this channel we make lot of videos related to food, productivity, lifestyle. In today's video we are going to talk about planners. So we are not going to talk about the planners that are famous like the Alicia Souza one, Junch of India, Ink Bucket. So these planners are quite famous. But in this video we are going to talk about such brands which are not so famous but their planners are really very good. So I have been following this planner brands from very long time and I know that their planners have lot of good things in them. They have really good features, their quality is very amazing. So I have done my research and then I am making this video for you all. So we will be talking about that planner brands. And new year is just around the corner. 2022 is going to start and then we have to prep ourselves, and also Diwali is there, gifting season is there. So I think this will be a perfect video and also it will help for like you to know about the new planner brands which are available in India. And I think this overview is enough for this video, and without further ado, let's start with this video. So the first planner brand which we are going to talk about is from the brand Confetti Paper Studio. So their Instagram handle is at Confetti Paper Studio and their website is www.confettipaperstudio.in. So this is the information about their brand. They are based in Pune, Maharashtra. So talking about their planners, 2022 planners, so they have like 6 cover available for the planner. So and also the sizes, this year they have launched 2 sizes for the planner. One is the classical size and one in the mini size. So the classical size of planner is it's in 8 into 10 inches and the mini size planner is 6.5 into 8 inches. So this is how the planner is. So the mini size planner will be great for people who travel a lot, so they can just take the planner. It will be very handy for them to like travel, do their work and also plan everything and journal everything. So I like this point about this planner, like they have something for like people who travel and they kept in mind that thing and made the planner. So the features of this planners are, so it has goal setting, budget and habit tracking, monthly overview and review, daily planning, weekly planning, make notes or doodles and your heart out. So you can make doodles and take notes on this planner, and this planner is binded one. It's not hardbound one, they are the binded one planners, and this is how the planner looks like. And also the price of planner is 2,199. So these are the prices and their pre-order offer is going on. So their pre-orders are from 28th October to 10th of November and pre-order deliveries will begin from 20th of November. So all this information is given on their Instagram page and website, so you can check their website and see if you like any of the planners, so you can take that. Personally, I like their designs very much because they are quite aesthetic and Pinteresty kind of design and they are very pretty. And also I think mostly their designs are focused on people like office going people. I think that's their target audience, but like anyone can use the planner according to your liking because there are 6 different covers which are available in this planner. Also freebies which are available in this planner are 2022 monthly planner. These freebies will be available when you pre-order a sticker book. So you also get a sticker book with the planner, so that's quite good deal, and a coordinated bookmark. So whichever cover you will choose, you will get a bookmark according to that. So that's a pretty good deal for the price range of this planner, and the paper quality of these planners are amazing. I have seen them personally and I like them very much. So yeah, so I will really suggest you, like if you want to buy a planner and looking for something different, you can check out their website and see if you like anything. And that's it for this brand and this planners, and we will talk about the next planner now. The next planner brand which we are going to talk about, its name is Cali Design and its website is www.calidesign.in whatever, and the Insta handle is at Cali Design. So that's the information. I will link everything in the description box, so you don't worry about the links and all of that things. And talking about the planner, so this planner is hardbound planner and I think it's undated. I will just mention it here. And there are 3 covers which are available for this planner. And talking about the features of the planner, so this is size 19 into 23 centimeters, undated planner, so it's undated. You can start use it from any month, so that's perfect. Like, you don't have to pressurize yourself to use a planner, so you will not have to do that. You can use it from any time of the month. And it's hardbound planner with gold accents on the cover. It also has a vision board, yearly goals and plan pages, hand painted illustration for each month, and you have monthly appointment and calendar pages, monthly reflection pages, monthly and day-to-day finance tracker. So this planner also contains finance tracker, so that's a good deal, because finances are something that we should keep our eye, because like we tend to waste our money on things which we don't require. So that's why we need to take care of our finances properly. And then we have yearly event page, habit tracker, everyday plans and to-do list, everyday meal planner. So this planner also has meal planning section in it, so that's very good thing. And then we have ample of space for the notes and a ribbon bookmark. So when I talk about the ample of space for the notes, so why it's given? Because the entrepreneur of this brand, she is an illustrator, and like artists, they have so many ideas and all of that things, and they constantly need to take notes and all of that things. So she thought that when she will make the planner should have ample of design. So that's why the size of this planner is quite big compared to other planner, and you get lot of space in this planner. So that's what her imagination was for like making this planner. And here, like the freebies along with the planner is, each planner comes in a cloth bag. So you get a cloth bag with 100 plus stickers. So you get 100 plus free stickers. You can use that sticker, you can use on any other surfaces. So, and the price about the planner. So this planner, the planner name is the Progress Planner, and it's for 1599. So if you are looking for a planner which is under 2000, so I think this planner is great for you, because you get so many features of the planner. You also get the freebies and meal planning, finance tracking for every day, and also sticker sheets, all of that in under 2000. So I think this planner is great if you are looking for like planner under 2000. It's totally based on your choice, but like it will be suggestion from me, so that you can just go and check out this planner. And yeah, that's it for this planner. And I hope you like this video, found it useful, and like, so you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will meet you next time. Bye.